Hi everyone. So it's been a bit of a hiatus, I believe, but we're back, and I'm going to continue with the second part of practice questions for modern history. We had discussed a set of 50 questions in part one, and here I bring to you another 50 questions, which were prepared by my father. The first question in this set: in which session of the Congress did the infamous split occur? The split was between the extremists and the moderates, and the session was in Surat in 1907. After the Congress split, who was elected the Congress president? Raj Bihari Ghosh. Now, as you would be knowing, at every session of the Indian National Congress, there used to be a president to guide the affairs of that particular session, and in this case it was Mr. Ghosh. The next question: which committee was appointed by Lord Irwin to recommend the establishment of better relations between the British government and princely states? It was Harcourt Butler Committee. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस अक्सर आते हैं अगर आपने ऑब्ज़र्व किया हो कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में, स्पेशली यूपीएससी के जो एग्ज़ाम्स हैं, जिसमें कि जो भी ब्रिटिश टाइम्स में कमिटीज़ या कमीशन सेटअप हुई थी उनका आपको पर्पस पता होना चाहिए. अमूमन बहुत डेप्थ में भी नहीं जाते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट इतना तो पता होना चाहिए कि इफ़ दे नेम अ कमिटी और दे नेम द पर्पस, यू शुड नो द नेम ऑफ द कमिटी. सो in a way it's simple, but in a way it's a bit tricky also, because you might be thinking how many such committees are we supposed to know of, but that's what we're here for, to guide you through it, and this is one such committee. Then, which slogan was given by Gandhiji at the start of the non-cooperation movement? So he said there would be Swaraj, or there should be Swaraj within 1 year. That was the slogan basically. The next is, whose autobiography is मेरा जीवन संघर्ष? तो ये स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती की थी. Next, for the Congress, which Viceroy said the Congress is tottering to its fall? Lord Curzon. Tottering in a way is like gradual, bit by bit जिसे आप कहेंगे, तो tottering to its fall कहा गया था. 57. Who called the Congress microscopic minority? It was Lord Dufferin. And you will find that at that point in time, the British did try to sort of disparage or show through their words that there was nothing to be afraid of when it came to any sort of collective organization being made by Indians in bringing together some sort of political opinion, whether it was with the Indian National Congress or with several other movements and parties that were being set up. तो आप एक तरह से कह सकते हैं कि वो उनका एक सेल्फ consolation का तरीका था, where they used to come up with these terms for these organizations, but we all know that it wasn't quite true, and that's ultimately what helped us in achieving freedom. The next one: which commission was called by Indians as an all-white commission? This was the Simon Commission, and as most of you would know, this was a major reason why the Simon Commission was boycotted when they first arrived in India, saying, considering the fact that it was an all-white commission, and they were to suggest constitutional reforms for India at that point in time, and it was considered to be quite strange and quite outrageous by most Indians that no Indian formed a part of this committee that was supposed to recommend constitutional reforms for the country. The next question: for what purpose was the All Parties Conference called? And the correct answer here is the draft constitution for dominion status of India. As you go along with your preparation, this is again something you should be cognizant of, कि जो demands थी Indians की in terms of our the sort of political status that we sought, they evolved. तो शुरू में ये था कि अच्छा ठीक है, डोमिनियन स्टेटस, आई मीन we'll go bit by bit. So first we'll get dominion status, then we'll go for complete independence. लेकिन फिर ये हुआ कि जब देखा गया कि even demands for dominion status are not being met in a very positive light for the longest time, तब फिर complete independence की भी demand हुई. The next, who drafted the Nehru report? This is very very important. It was Motilal Nehru. तो ये चीज़ को आप ध्यान में रखें, कन्फ्यूजन हो सकता है, जाहिर सी बात है जवाहरलाल नेहरू के नाम से, लेकिन यहाँ पे याद रखिएगा नेहरू रिपोर्ट का जहाँ तक ताल्लुक है तो मोतीलाल नेहरू. 61, who may be called the most reactionary viceroy? लॉर्ड लिटन. जैसे इनके टाइम पे वर्नैक्युलर प्रेस एक्ट पास हुआ था और आर्म्स एक्ट पास हुआ था, तो ये थोड़ा आपको यहाँ पे जैसे मतलब दिस इज सब्जेक्टिव ओपिनियन सॉर्ट ऑफ व्हेन यू से मोस्ट रिएक्शनरी वाइसरॉय, लेकिन यहाँ पे आशय यही है आपसे पूछने का कि भाई किसके टेन्योर में बहुत रैडिकल और ऐसे ऐसे लॉज पास हुए which led to a lot of furor. Whose autobiography is A Nation in the Making? Surendranath Banerjee. Who wrote the economic history of India? It was R.C. Dutt. Who wrote Why I Am an Atheist? Bhagat Singh. Who was called Punjab Kesari? Lala Lajpat Rai. With which Congress group were Lal, Bal and Pal associated? Congress extremists. तो लाल लाजपत राय, बाल गंगाधर तिलक और पाल बिपिन चंद्र पाल. हु कॉल्ड द कांग्रेस अ बेगिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन? औरबिंदो घोष. अब ये इसलिए क्योंकि देखिए जो मेथड्स अडॉप्ट होते थे, जब भी कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक लेजिटिमेट पॉलिटिकल एसोसिएशन की तरह सेटअप होती थी, तो नॉर्मली ये होता था कि उनके मेथड्स, हालांकि ये भी एक डिबेट चला था इन द कांग्रेस फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम, प्रो चेंजर्स नो चेंजर्स वाला, कि मतलब how far and in what way do we want to push our demands for freedom or for any sort of rights under the British rule in India. तो कांग्रेस के काफ़ी मेथड्स स्पेशली मॉडरेट्स के ऐसे माने जाते थे कि दे वर नॉट ऑफ द सेम टेनासिटी as was required at that point in time, because it was said that when you look at the fact that the British are really not relenting to any of the demands, there's no point in being so lenient in our approach to them, and therefore Aurobindo Ghosh called it a begging institution. Whose biography is The Springing Tiger? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who set up Shanti Niketan? This is an easy one, Rabindranath Tagore. Who gave the title Guru Dev to Tagore? It was Gandhiji. In 1859, the IPC and CRPC were passed. Who was the viceroy then? The correct answer is Lord Canning. The income tax was introduced for the first time in 1858. Who was the viceroy then? Again, it was Lord Canning. Who is credited with the creation of the Indian Forest Department? Lord Lawrence. Who introduced the Indian Statistical Survey? Lord Mayo. Who reduced the age for ICS to 19 years from 21 years? The answer is Lord Lytton. During Dufferin's tenure, which Indian organization came into existence? The Indian National Congress. Lord Curzon appointed the police commission under Andrew Fraser. Who said Bengal united is a power, Bengal divided will pull in several different ways? The answer is Herbert Risley. The Congress split occurred during the tenure of Lord Minto II. Who was the viceroy when Gandhiji launched his first 3 movements in India? Lord Chelmsford. Who called Gandhiji Mahatma? Rabindranath Tagore. During whose tenure did the civil disobedience movement occur? Lord Irwin. Which took place first among the August Offer, the Cripps Mission and the Quit India movement? The August Offer, 1940. During whose tenure did the INA trials, the Indian National Army trials, and the Royal Indian Navy RIN mutiny occur? Lord Wavell. Please read about the INA trial and the RIN mutiny properly. It's an important topic. Which commission was set up for marking boundaries of India-Pakistan? Cyril Ratcliffe. Whose autobiography is Towards Freedom? Jawaharlal Nehru. During which movement was Vallabhbhai Patel called Sardar? The Bardoli peasant movement. Who wrote Social Background of Indian Nationalism? A.R. Desai. Who were the leaders of the Santhal Revolution? सीधो एंड कान्हू. ये जो आपके ट्राइबल रिवोल्ट्स थे ख़ास तौर पे इनको भी थोड़ा अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा और सिविल अपराइजिंग्स को. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ बिरसा मुंडाज रिवोल्ट? उलगुलन नाम दिया गया था. हु रोट हिस्ट्री ऑफ द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? दिस वाज पट्टाभी सितारामैया. Who wrote History of the Freedom Movement in India in 4 volumes? This is Tara Chand ji. Who inspired Gandhiji for non-cooperation? Leo Tolstoy. Who inspired Gandhiji for civil disobedience? Henry David Thoreau. ये आप ध्यान रखिएगा कि मतलब गांधी जी while he was in South Africa and even after coming back, you will find that he read a lot and he was inspired in certain methods that he adopted through his readings of different people or through his interactions and correspondences through letters with various people, and that is why these 2 questions are important, in as much as you should know where he got inspired from for non-cooperation and civil disobedience. Who is the author of Gandhi Before India? It's Ramchandra Guha. What was the name of Gandhiji's scheme for education? So it was called Nai Talim, Basic Shiksha ya Vardha scheme. Who is the author of India After Gandhi? Again Ramchandra Guha. Who was christened as Deen Bandhu? This was C.F. Andrews. Who wrote Songs from Prison? This was Mahatma Gandhi. And which organization is Satyabhakt known to be affiliated with? The Communist Party of India, Kanpur, 1924, and he announced its establishment there and became the secretary as well. So with this we come to an end of this 2-part revision of modern history through questions. Of course, this was just 100 questions. Modern history is filled with endless possibilities of various kinds of questions. So we will be having videos on say a particular movement. We'll have a set of questions on that, or we'll cover a particular party or a particular leader, and we'll have questions related to that to sort of divide it and categorize it further. But as regards a bird's eye view of modern history through the means of questions, this is what this particular series, 2-part series, was aimed at. Hopefully it is useful for you, and I wish you all the best.